Okay, let's do this video. Sadly, we lost a valuable worker today. The New Zealander is now working for another company, but he deserves to be working for another company. Working for my company is not the best company. Well, not my company, but working for the company is not the best company. But let's talk about today. Today was pretty eventful, really good day, especially seeing some old friends. So today I got to work and the boss told me one guy was fired and I knew another guy was fired, but turns out when I got there, that one guy that keeps chucking sickies once a week, he rocked up. So he is fired, but David's keeping him until he can replace him. Whether that will happen or not, I don't think so. But he's always walking on thin ice, always. He's taking a day off every week, which I understand is bullshit, so, you know. But he's a good worker. It's just, it's a rock and a hard place. The new guy didn't turn up. His name is... It's an alcohol name. Don't know. Anyway, he didn't turn up. Apparently he was sick. Yeah, it's been a mess. Anyway, we had one job today. It was a clean up, so it was a big job. It was in a trailer place that sell trailers, truck trailers. It was a good job. I cut my hair lots, all here and all here, because the weeds are so thin, and I got myself in there. The weeds are so thin and sharp, when you pull them out, they cut you. I got more cuts too, but they're the most bad ones. Because you grab them and pull them. Yeah. I got home, I didn't really relax because I had to go somewhere. I had to go and see Judy and Greg, and that was in 2 hours when I got home, or 3, don't remember. Anyway, so I waited until 3 o'clock to pick up my parcel. I got my body kit. I was like, yeah, so excited. I walked to the post office, which is 8-minute walk, and it will be a large ass box. Anyway, I walked to the post office, got my box, and it was weird because it was only a tall skinny box, which doesn't make sense. Turns out okay, let's just pretend nothing bad has happened. Turns out that he's packed them in more than one box, and because of that, the boxes have been for some reason separated and there's been a delay in postage. Or the bad side, touch wood, boxes have been lost, stolen or broken, which I hope has not happened. I have looked at the box I have had, which is with my seat, and it is beautiful. The seat, the paint job, the work on it, it's better than the original seat. There is a little bit of a crack in the seat, but that's fine, it was going to crack there anyway, it's a weak spot. And there is a paint chip on the belly pan, but what happened is, it was just a lump of paint, and I prodded at it and picked under it and it just fell off. But it's fine because it's in a spot that doesn't matter. The belly pan, to be honest. So I'm very happy I got half of my body kit, maybe a third of it, but it's coming along. Other than my savings, which is good, my money is currently low, my spendings, but that's fine. I then proceeded to go see Judy and Greg, and they are beautiful people. They're a little bit unwell, so we spent some time at KFC, just had a lazy meal, but it was good. Then we went to their place and just played Farkle, or Zilch as I like to call it, and had a blast. I ended up winning just at the end. And now I'm home, I've got to hit the hay at 8:30, and yeah, go to sleep, have a good bloody rest. Anyway, see ya.